Good morning. Morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Well, it is show day, show weekend. We are at the Great Eccleston show. It's a lovely 2-day event. And just leaving the hotel and wondering if our van has been stolen. So, let's see if it's been stolen or if it's been broken into, because we are in Preston Central. I think I booked this place after a few beers after the England game, so yeah, we'll see how good the parking was. Bit of a cooler day today. It's a bit cooler, isn't it? Alright. About a minute walk to the van. This building here, don't know how to zoom, is Joseph Daddy Dunn. I want to be called Daddy. Well, the van is here, so it's at least not been stolen. Let's see if all the contents inside have been stolen. Well, I think Preston is a safe place. You can leave your belongings and they don't get robbed. Well, unless they tied it up after themselves, it looks pretty good. So quick look. Let's brake on. Oh no, where's the quad? There's no quad. Nah, we left that at the show. Alright, wicked. Let's load up and get to the showground. Early what?
Birds get the worm.
Early worms get the bird. Early worms get the bird. Sleepy baby. We've arrived at the show. Just waiting for all of these people to get a move on. Rightio, we're at the showground. We're all set up. Here's the setup. Oh, it's bloody cold. We're in the north. Radford looking after the stuff last night. Got the van, Eli chilling in there. But here we have it. Let me see if I can get a nice higher view. Goes all the way down that hill. And there is going to be some tractor pulling championship with some big money on the line apparently. So I'll try and get down and have a look at that. We're not on until 2:30, so we've got ages. So a nice leisurely morning, I reckon, getting set up. But yeah, it's all good fun. All good fun. Eli, Elias. Oh, hello. You just chilling in your carrier? You having a good time? He's a bit pissed off at us because we woke him up early and dragged him to the show. Normally, he likes to sleep in until 10. But you're gonna have fun, aren't you, buddy? Good boy. Little tiki bar, look at that. Sick. Wee-hee. From my understanding, this is the tractor pulling course, which I've been told there is a lot of money on the line for the tractor pulling. So I'm very excited to see this. Saw a little bit at Hanbury Show, but I think this is the big time. This is the Premier League of tractor pulling, at least in the UK, I imagine. Who knows? It's going to be fun to watch, though. You excited, puppy? Oh, he's gone to sleep, I think. Eli's first time meeting a goat. You like it, buddy?
Goats.
He's loving it. Well, Big Blue is causing him a lot of fun.
Up to the old tricks.
ABS sensor snapped off in the hub. And he's having to drill it out professionally.
Be fine. We're all professionals here.
Oh, dearie me. Little upgrade on the jump quad as well. Each day I'm becoming more like Radford. Got his
You're gonna have a mullet soon.
exactly. I've been trying to grow one. His thumb throttle And now his bar mount, which will hopefully help for some softer landings on the old wrist.
Probably my pants next.
And yeah, hopefully dirty still. And oh dearie me. But we're all pretty much set up, all good to go. Em's over here chilling with Eli. I won't go too close. We are actually gonna make some modifications to the roll cage potentially. Cut this bottom bar off because I think it's causing too much sort of impact and drag in going into a second roll. So we're going to cut that off, although Radford's battery is basically dead, so I need to go and borrow a angle grinder from someone. But otherwise, pretty good to go, I think. Yeah, a couple hours till we're on. Got some horses in the main ring, and a lot of fun to be had. So I don't know what you'll see next. All right, we've decided we're going to cut the bottom of this frame off because we think it's actually hitting too hard on the second roll. So we think having it slightly higher should help us out a little bit.
Should.
But, yeah, we'll see. I think that's going to be way better, because that's then going to be in the next roll.
I think if you're going fast enough, it's still going to bounce, miss that part and hit here anyway, but rough it goes, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, see how that goes. Hopefully we can do some more rolls. Who knows, or at least make it less painful. Great Eccleston, are you ready? Woo! Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! And turn it around, get up on the side wheels. Oh, I think I've got a nice lead on it. Radford's round back. Fall in. Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, dear, okay, he's really showboating now, isn't he? He's really showboating. Here we go! Oh, down we go again! Beautiful stuff, honey! Give us a follow, please, and I'm happy that we're only doing one show today, because this shop is covered in poo and petrol. If there's any smokers out there, don't flick your plugs at me, alright? Oh, this is going to take a bit of time. Whoa, no! Oh, you went so sideways! Oh, mate! Too much poo. I reckon it's sliding in the cow poo.
Do one more.
You want to go one more? Should we go one more? Alright, we'll go one more. Nice big screen. He's gone fast. He's faster. He's going. He's rolling. Oh no, can I push him? Yay! Oh, Radford Chug with the assist from the hill. Yes! Oh, ladies and gentlemen, here he comes. Oh, he could have! You think you want to do one more jump? And should we bring in... No. So, on the count of 3, I'm going to get you all to give the biggest Great Eccleston cheer you can. So, 1, 2, 3! Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen, let's go! Start cheering! Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen! Alright, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You've all been great. There you go. Day one, done. We only ended up doing one performance today because we got cancelled for the cow judging, the horse judging, and then they decided to put the Grand Parade in front of us. So we went on last, which is a bit of a disappointment really, because we actually had probably like genuinely 100 or so people constantly keep coming up going, what time are you on? And yeah, a bit disappointing, but it is what it is, and we had a really good fun time out there, didn't we? It was fun, honey. Emily went for a wheelie, as you probably would have already seen, so that was good fun. Got her back safely to our little sleeping pup. Make sure he's not. Yeah, he is feeding. I won't put that on camera. But yeah, it's good fun. Great first day. Hopefully we get to do 2 shows tomorrow, and fingers crossed we get a nice big crowd again. Because yeah, the crowd that was left over was fantastic. So yeah, all round good fun. I'm gonna go watch some tractor pulling though now, and yeah, and hopefully watch some turbos get blown up. So I'm sure if they're still on, that's probably the next clip you're gonna see. Look at this! This is sick!
3 turbochargers under the bonnet in 2 stages. 2 little ones, not that little.
2 stages?
Feeding 1 big one, very, very big. We get 2 green flags. Come on, Jonesy, what
Here he goes. Go on, son! Go on! Here it goes.
That's it, shut out of that there, ladies and gents. He got the data he wanted, just hit the loud pedal, lit it up, let the RPM spin, and that's the data he required ready for tomorrow.
That's just a test. We wasn't doing the full thing.
Oh, wow.
I genuinely thought it was men pulling tractors.
Sick, isn't it? Do you love it?
We're going to have so much footage of my
I'll get loads of views. I'll get loads of views, won't I? Here he comes.
So here we go.
Holy shit! Oh my god! What do you mean by that? That was unreal! That is sick! That was so cool! Woo! Yeah! Alright, so the big dogs have finished, and the little dogs. That's so sick! That is so good! I love this! Got a green flag! Woo! Let's go, Nemesis! I know, it's fantastic. We're on the green light.
Let's see how we go.
Go on, son. Not as far, but just as fun. This is my favourite sport. My favourite sport. Radford's hard enduro can, yeah, it's shit compared to this. It sucks. Hard enduro sucks.
Selling my bike.
Yeah, we're getting tractors. It is a holiday. You're on holiday. The Welsh are here. It's the Welsh. Go on, son. It's the kids' classes now.
A good
Instagram, YouTube. No, like, it was all different
Wow.
things they wanted.
He's loving it. He's loving it. He's loving it. He hasn't taken his eyes off it.
I love the ending.
Rah, rah, rah. Thinking about it, ain't you?
Is that going to be your first
Rah,
word?
rah, rah. Radford.
All right, day one of the Great Eccleston show done. Just had a lovely feed at the local pub. Radford then decided to pull the sides of the ramp off, but a couple of zip ties will get that sorted. We're off to the hotel. Eli's sneezing. Bless you. Bless you, buddy. Eli's sneezing. Radford and Charlie are getting ready for a night at camp. We're going back to the Premier Inn next door to Perfect Tens, the strip club. And we ain't going there though. Eli especially isn't. And we'll be back for day two of tractor pulling, and more tractor pulling. I mean, we might ride our quads a couple times in the arena if they let us. But yeah, I'm excited for the big time tractor pulling tournament tomorrow, which I'll try my best to get down and view and document as much as possible. But we'll see you in the morning. Say good night, everyone.
Good night. Sorry.
Night, Eli. We're going to pass the tractor pulling sponsors. Perfect Tens. There she is. The almighty club supporting the greatest sport in the world. What do you think, Em? Do you want to go? Do you want to go there?
I'm good.
Eli, what do you think about it, mate? What do you think about it, Eli? Oh, dearie me. Where are we staying, eh? You ready? Bah! 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 You're crazy. You're crazy. Hey. Good morning. It is day two of the Great Eccleston show. We're all set up, ready for a fun day. Hopefully, we're going to do 2 performances today, and hopefully not on right at the end of the day. But it was a good day yesterday, and it's going to be an even better day today. So very exciting. And there's going to be some serious tractor pulling, which I can't wait for. It's going to be pretty wild. We're here for the main event,
It's not
the
really
tractor
the best
pulling.
place to feed you,
Who
actually,
cares
if I
about
put
my
you in the
show?
carrier, we could do it.
All I care about is watching this.
Yes, please.
Eli's ready. We've got Carl and Rico with us. The track is primed. Look at the audience as well. I hope a few of them come back up and watch me. Who knows?
See the chain go tight, we can. We've got 2 green flags. We're ready for action. Tractor's been ticking over for a long time though.
Go on, son.
Here we go. And it's not running correctly. Coughing and spluttering all the way down the track.
Not good.
One wrong kind of code.
Just waiting for some donkeys to leave the arena, and then we are
Getting 2 donkeys
on.
back in there.
Yeah, a couple of asses then take main stage. So it'll be good fun. Hopefully, you see us next, not landing on each other.
Maybe I'll put you in the video.
Literally every photographer I've seen, like, one more yet to come. One bite, yeah. Yeah, literally every picture I've been like, come on then, let me in.
Well, if you do something funny, you might make it.
To the face of the show.
Yeah.
Got some of him on there. There's 2 cheeseburgers that weighed him down.
Real good? Hello ladies and gentlemen! Boys and girls, how you doing? You having a good day? Having fun, kids? I'll come round and give you a high five in a minute, buddy. A lot of fun as well. And if you haven't seen it already, definitely head on over. It's a little bit of a black wrapping. Because Preston, are you ready? Great Eccleston, are you ready? How are you? 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. Finish line! I think that was very, very close. Okay, so mate, what's your name, buddy? Noah? Nice to meet you, Noah. Who won that race? Alright, glad to break. I won that, unlucky buddy. Thank you very much. Beautiful stuff. That's why I love having the microphone. Now, mate. There's always 2 types of people that get on the wheelie with me. It's either wavers or screamers. What do you think you're going to be? You're going to be a waver, okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. He was a little bit of a screamer and then a waver. Yes, on the arm is our beautiful wave. Good. Just about fuel started coming out, but we made it, lovely! Just about fuel started coming out! One! Woohoo! And again! Come on! Oh no! Into 2 hours, 1! Preston check with the 2 rolls! And over! Oh yeah! Stop safely before all of you wonderful people. So it's got to be absolutely perfection of popping up, landing safely. So I think you might need to go a little bit further back than this, mate. I think he's texting his girlfriend or something. What are you texting, mate? Yeah, put your foot on the brake, yeah, flick that out. I think you're going to park now, no. Foot on the brake, 1 more over. Beautiful stuff. Alright, lovely. This is now a driving school, I reckon. Alright, here he comes, ladies and gentlemen! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes!
Alright, we've seen some tractor pulling. We're now on to truck pulling. It's going to be loud, this one.
He's going to set the distance that the others will have to catch if they can. go, we get 2 green flags. It's going to be a close battle, let's see what he can do. Oh, it's not far enough, chucked it down around 95-metre mark. 2 green flags now. How do you get the front of the straight anywhere near that checker flag? That's 106, 105 metres, you can go. Oh, no, that's not going to do.
Oh dear. Not meant to look like that.
The bonnet there for the yellow Viper. So that'll be ready.
Give us a smile. Nothing. Now, I'm going to go over here and ask one of you who won that, because I need to be unbiased. So, how much did I win it by, mate? No, who won? It was me! I'm a lucky Radford! I'll take the win on that one! Now, I actually think this next competition will be in Radford's favour because of how easy it is to wheelie those quad bikes. Time on the stall. Here we go! Here we go! There we go, right on the line! I think that was the best one I've done all day! We'll start with Radford. Who thinks Radford won? I had to shout no, and I really like you. Who thinks I won? I'm taking victory there, mate. I'll take that. Yeah, mate. You won the first two. You got to give me something. He's putting his thumbs down. All right. You're still needed. You're still needed.
Don't go anywhere.
Now you can really tell I haven't been riding very much in the last 2.5 months. Yeah, very well. Okay, let's hope that this gets us started again. Turn off, turn on. Must be the trick. Bit of playing. Come on, Mike. There we go. Alright, yeah. Lauren, you're looking very excited. Now before you jump on, Lauren, you're part of the show officials. What's your job? Second in command on safety. Now isn't that ironic, eh? Alright, Lauren, come around. Now, put your legs and pop on there. And don't touch that. And then you're going to hold on to that. There is a matter of isn't there? Now, I apologise for this, Harry. No, hang on, I'm blowing you off. There we go, so be the decider of that one. Yes, and stop just in time, ladies and gentlemen. That is Rossford Jack. He is the absolute legend jumping for us today. My name is Sam Coldard, the Kangaroo Kid. You've all been incredible over the last few days. Thank you so much for coming out and supporting us. It genuinely means the world. It's been so much fun. The weather's been great. Please enjoy the rest of your afternoon.
Another show weekend done. What a fantastic 2 days we've had at the Great Eccleston show. It has been one of the funnest shows I think I've done. The crowd were incredible. Everyone was super friendly, interacted with heaps and heaps of people, which was just, yeah, so much fun. The jumps were good, small arena, but we maximised that space, and everything was going fantastically well, which is all good. A couple little niggles with the quads. I think the wheelie quad is leaking fuel, and the rollover quad has got some poo, I think, in the carburetor, which is what I can only assume. So a little bit of work to do between now and the next show, which is Mid Devon next Saturday. But I feel like it's the story of my life. Get through a show, do some work on some of the quads, get through the next show, and so on and so on. But it was great, we had fun. We had Carl and Enrico, so Emily's brother and husband, up visiting us at this show from Manchester, which is really great. Took them both on for a wheelie, took the safety officer Lauren on for a wheelie, which you can get away with anything if the safety officer's on board. But yeah, great fun. Did you have fun, guys?
We've had the best day.
Did you have fun, Eli? Yeah, good boy. Tractor pulling was great. Everything's great. Great show. Great weekend. Bradford was great. Everything was great. Great Eccleston show. I didn't even mean to do that. Oh, that's so funny. All right, well, it's funny to me anyway. Right, we're in the van. We've got a 4-hour drive home. I'll end this video here. Thank you so much, and love you all. Bye-bye.
Here we come, son.